Hi everyone, it's Tanya Donenville with the Lisa Denoto Group. I'm here at our newest listing that is going live tomorrow at 6850 Astoria. Let's check out the neighborhood. It is on a cul-de-sac. Let's take a look inside. This nice house is 4 bedrooms, 2 bath. You can private message me for any of your questions. Double door entry, tiled floors throughout. You have a storage door to your left, coat closet. To your right is the door to the garage. Look how nice and open this is. Very nice. The first bedroom is to the left. It's the primary bedroom. You have a large mirror closet doors. Walk-in shower. As we walk into the living room, you have a fireplace. Hi everyone. So the second bedroom has a double door entry and they've made it into an office. It does have a closet that you could put some doors on and another door that leads to the hallway. Your second bathroom, tub shower. More storage, your third bedroom, and your fourth bedroom. Let's go back down the hallway. It comes out into the kitchen area, the dining room. I love that it has new paint. It just looks so fresh. Here's the kitchen. All the backsplash has been done. Large sliding glass door. You have a covered patio. It's all cemented on here. You have a new AC unit. The storage is going to stay over there. And in back of this is a park. And there is a gate that I do have a key that you have your private door to the park. I'm going to be here Saturday from 12 to 3 at our open house. Please stop by and bring your buyers. And please private message me if you have any questions. This is a great listing. I can't wait to show it to you. Stop by on Saturday from 12 to 3. Thank you.